Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and a new home decor store opened up in my area. It's not really a store per se, it's more of a pop-up because it's only open one weekend a month, and that store is Sterling Crate. I don't know if you guys have a Sterling Crate in your area or if it's just local to me, but I wanted to go see what home decor items they had in store. I really love these black and white pieces. I know a friend I have here on YouTube would love them as well, Antoinette. But anyway, I wanted to see what home decor they had that may be unique. And I looked at the home decor, and a lot of it to me was a little overpriced in my opinion. It's items that we could find at our local Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls, all at a better price, but I still wanted to take a look to see if I could find some unique items. So if you love home decor, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and if you are not yet a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the family. Now, sit back, grab a drink, and let's see what home decor we can find. As you can see, they had tons of dining tables and couches, sofas, love seats, which is great because the place is you buy it and you take it the same day, which considering it's taking months to get furniture from other places, I thought this was really great. So this is a place I will definitely visit again. I signed up for their email list to be notified of when new items would be in store and when their next opening would be. So guys, check to see if you have a Sterling Crate in your area, because I am sure you will find tons of home decor that will certainly fit your style and budget. So if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up And again, if you are not yet a part of the iStyle family, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and I hope to see you in the next one.